Yo, what's going on, everybody? Bitcoin Chris checking in once again, and I just wanted to give you guys not only the market updates, but talk to you guys a little bit about what happened, what I'm experiencing today on this beautiful Friday. One of my good friends and business partner passed away last night. He had a heart attack. Me and him have a partnership. We have a call center, and I was just with him yesterday, and he actually was celebrating him and his wife's anniversary. And this morning I got the call from his wife on Facebook Messenger, just letting me know that he passed away. So I'm really in shock, and I just want to give you guys a few messages that I've wanted to make sure I let you guys know about this. So first thing I want to let you guys know is your health, right? Because he would always take shots, and he would always be eating, not eating the healthiest that he could eat. He was conscious of that as well. And what's also crazy, he's been saying for the past couple of days that he wasn't feeling too good. So I mean, you guys listen to your body, man. If you're not feeling too good, if you don't feel good, go see the doctor, change your diet, go exercise, go for a walk. You need to make sure that you're taking care of your health. Health is wealth. What's the point of you making all this money and then you pass away, right? You can't even enjoy it. So just make sure that you're taking care of your health, guys, because it's very important. And I don't drink anymore. I don't smoke anymore. Nothing wrong with doing those things if that's what you want to do, but I actually haven't been doing that for like the last month. And I'm actually happy that I haven't been doing that, I used to do that all throughout my younger years, right? So like I said, to each their own, but I'm not doing that anymore. This is before this even happened, because I understand what that does to your body. Also with your lungs, because I used to smoke a lot, and I could tell it was affecting my breathing and whatnot. And drinking, I don't really like to drink anyway, so it's not really hard for me to stop drinking. So the second thing I want to talk to you guys about is loving the people that are in your life. There are going to be people that make mistakes. There's going to be people that hurt you, and it's okay to let those people go. And you have to remember, people change and people can learn. So make sure you forgive these people. All right? If someone hurts you, don't hold that in. If someone does you wrong, don't hold that bitterness, that anger in, let God handle that. And, with God, you can change. And I've changed, I've done a lot of reflecting. I've been better. I've done better. I'm starting to improve my life, and sometimes pain is all that's needed for you to make that change, So just want to let you guys know, man, love your family members, love your friends. I've been telling a lot of my friends lately that I love them more than ever, because I understand how powerful this life that we have is and how short this life that we have is. I'm actually down by this lake, so I'm enjoying a little bit of sun before I go run some errands. But I just want to make sure I drop that message to you guys, man. Your parents, they're older. Your grandparents, they're older. Make sure you see them. Make sure you call them. Make sure you tell them that you love them, because once they pass away, guys, there's no coming back. So I just wanted to drop that info for you guys, man, and just make sure I encourage you to live your life, love those people that are closest to you. And again, people can change, forgive people, and I believe in second chances. And matter of fact, the Bible says, how many times should I forgive someone who sinned against me? 7 times. And the Bible says no, 7 times 70, if I'm not mistaken. Go look that verse up. So with that being said, I love you guys, and I just wanted to make sure I hop on here and provide some value. And I hope that my videos have just provided a little bit of value in your life, and that this is a reminder to love yourself, love your family, and love your friends. And with that being said, let's jump into the Bitcoin price. All right, guys. So yesterday I said, I think we're gonna come down and hit these levels. I drew these levels last night on my laptop, but I also had some alerts set as well. I actually shared those alerts on Twitter, and I'll go ahead and just check that real quick. Okay, cool. So yesterday I said we can come down to these levels on the video. I actually set the alerts on the video, if I'm not mistaken, and we came down. We hit 27.9, 27.5, and we actually went a little bit lower as well. So, you know, I had those alerts set. We hit that at 3 o'clock in the morning, 3:40 as well. So, you know, we were getting these alerts because I saved those alerts, right? And I noticed the patterns here, and the market cipher was telling me that we were going to come down, and we did come down. I also mentioned in the previous video that I think the bears are going to get clapped again, because why? Every time we have a red candle, bears come out the woodworks talking reckless, and guess what? They got clapped again. So, you know, right on point. I'm kind of nice with it, guys, so I would take heed and listen. But anyways, with that being said, before I jump into the Bitcoin price, the USA government to sell 41,500 Bitcoin. Cool. More Bitcoin for us, less for you, America. This is actually one of the dumbest things that we can do, along with Senator Warren and all these regulations, you know, just stifling innovation. I could care less about the shit coins. I just care about people having freedom to do what they want to do. If you are a grown-ass adult and you want to buy Dogecoin and get rugged at 70 cents, you're a grown-ass adult. I can't tell you what to do. I can only encourage you to, hey, if you want to make money that way, good luck. Because, you know, Bitcoin is different from crypto. Bitcoin is different from crypto, guys. So, you know, go read the Bitcoin Standard. Hop into some of these rooms or spaces on Twitter and rooms on Clubhouse and just get your education on. You got to do your due diligence, guys. So with that being said, let's jump back into the Bitcoin price. All right, so right now we are coming. We don't have a red dot yet. Looks like we could have a little pullback and then come back up. Looks like we're good to go on the hourly. Coming down a little bit as well. What do we hit here in the last? 28.7 is the highest. Oh no, let me move over a little bit more. 28.675 is the highest that we hit in the last few hours, and then now we're pulling back. So just be careful. I think we could come down as well. And then also, since we know that the United States government is going to be selling a lot of Bitcoin, I do expect a lot of selling pressure. So I'm going to keep that in mind. So let's jump to the 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart still in this bull flag. Sorry. Let's see here. Still in this bull flag overall. Okay, so we'll see how this plays out. Let's look at the market cipher on the 4-hour. If it will work, if it will let me. Okay, there it is. Cool. 4-hour, we got the green dot. VWAP going up, money flow up, as I mentioned in previous videos. So we're looking good long term. 4 hours, we're looking pretty good, but this could always change. So you just got to be careful, you know. Market sentiment does change. 12-hour green dot, and let's look at the daily green dot. Oh, I thought we could come down a lot more. We didn't come down as low as I thought we were going to come down, which is great. We have that green dot again, and looks like we are coming back up. Money flow curving up. You can see here it's curving up. It was 1, 2, and then starting to come back up. So if money flow continues to turn up, this is a great indication that we are going to go much higher. So keep these things in mind. Daily bull flag still intact. So again, nothing has changed. 30,000 short term, 34,000 or higher long term, and we're going to continue to stack away no matter what. We got a nice green buying candle for yesterday. The day before, we got a red candle. A lot more sells than buys on that day. But overall, I think it's still a bullish momentum. Overall, with that being said, jump back over into the hourly chart. Let's see what's going to happen here short term. I think we could come back down, and we're testing this. We could come back down and test 28.3, set another alert. It wouldn't surprise me if we came back down here, set another alert. And matter of fact, we might hit a triple bottom. So if this is 1 bottom, 2 bottom, we can come back down and touch 27.7 to 20, come back down 27.4. Let me put these alerts here it wouldn't surprise me one bit, no pun intended, if we did come down to these levels. So, I got the alert set. If we can hit those levels, reset this momentum waves, and, continue to pump throughout the weekend. But I've been noticing that it's a little bit slower on the weekends, and then we pump during the week. Sometimes we pump on the weekends, and then we pump during the week. So we just got to keep an eye out on what the market sentiment is and what's been going on with the banks and all that good stuff. So with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. And again, love yourself, guys. Love your family members, right? Just spread love, give love, man. There's too much hate in the world. There's too much animosity. There's too much stress going on, and we just need to make sure that we're doing the best that we can do and loving each other and just taking care of each other. And, I hope you guys just enjoy waking up and being thankful to be alive today. You're healthy, right? You got arms, legs, you got eyes, you got ears, you can walk, you can talk, because some people don't even have those things, right? You have a roof over your head. You have running water, you have food that you can eat. So you know how many people in the world don't have food or go to bed hungry, don't have a roof over their head, got to travel miles to go get water, miles to come back. So you need to take advantage and be thankful for the things that you do have. And with that being said, this is Bitcoin Chris checking out. Go to swanbitcoin.com/Bitcoin Chris. Get $10 free Bitcoin. Not only that, make sure you follow me on Instagram and YouTube. Make sure you hit that like, share, subscribe, of course. And IG and Facebook and TikTok, Chris Nightfall 7. So with that being said, I'll check in with you guys later. Peace.